A day after the Uttar Pradesh Assembly election result in which the Bahujan Samaj Party was reduced to one seat, its chief Mayawati, accused of being the B team of BJP, said that the mandate was a lesson to people who said BSP was hand in glove with the BJP. She also claimed that only BSP could have stopped the BJP. She was quoted by news agency ANI. Before 2017, the BJP did not have a good stake in Uttar Pradesh. Likewise today, the Congress is also undergoing the same phase as the BJP. The UP election result is a lesson for us to continue putting in efforts. The Congress has fared only slightly better than the BSP, winning just 2 of the 403 seats in UP. Claiming that fortunes can turn for any party, Mayawati said, and I quote, "Only the BSP can stop the BJP from coming to power. The Dalit community, particularly the Jar turfs, stood with the BSP. The BSP will amend its strategy to make a comeback in the state politics," she said. The BJP and Congress had also expanded their base in UP despite poll defeats. The BSP has earned a 12.88% vote share this time. In the last assembly elections, the party had got 19 seats. Mayawati said that the BSP should not be discouraged by the results and come back stronger. She said, "The poll results are opposed to BSP's expectations. We should not be discouraged by it. Instead, we should learn from it, introspect and carry forward our party movement and come back to power." She pinned the blame of the loss of the BSP on rival Samajwadi Party and the media, saying the following. Listen in.
चुनाव में पूरे यूपी से मिले फीडबैक के मुताबिक जातिवादी मीडिया अपनी अनवरत गंदी साजिशों प्रायोजित मैनेज किया हुआ मतलब सर्वे आदि कार्यक्रमों एवं लगातार नेगेटिव प्रचार के माध्यम से खासकर मुस्लिम समाज व भाजपा विरोधी हिंदू समाज के लोगों को भी गुमराह करने में ये प्रचारित करके काफ़ी हद तक सफल साबित हुआ है कि बीएसपी भाजपा की बी टीम है तथा ये पार्टी सपा के मुकाबले में कम मजबूती से चुनाव लड़ रही है। ये खूब इन्होंने प्रचार किया, जबकि सच्चाई इसके विपरीत है, बिल्कुल उलट है, क्योंकि भाजपा से बसपा की लड़ाई राजनीतिक के साथ साथ सिद्धांतिक व चुनावी भी थी।
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.